imagine you're in your bed and you feel really miserable. Tears are falling down your cheeks and you think, oh, will I ever feel happy again? And then your thoughts go back to the night before, where your partner told you this was really the end. And you're in the middle of a breakup or a divorce, and you feel so miserable that you wonder if it's possible to be happy again. And yes, this sometimes happens. And if this is part of your journey in life, then you might have already noticed that there are a lot of emotions coming with a divorce or a breakup. And many times the process of this is compared with mourning. It looks a lot like it. And when you are having a hard time with your breakup or your divorce, I have 6 tips that hopefully help you to get through this phase and through this time, and help you to know and remember that there will be better times coming. There are better times ahead. And I will never say that it will be easy, but I do say it will be worth it to just keep it up and to get through this with those 6 tips. Because I know as captain of your ship, you have everything inside of you that you need to get through this. And it doesn't mean it's easy, it's just worth it. Okay, the first one is, it's a phase. Processing emotions in a divorce is a process, and it consists of different phases, and every phase passes. So sadness becomes less and will even wear off. And this is also with all the other emotions, like angriness and depression and everything. It will all become less and will always wear off. And no, it won't be like in a quick moment. It takes time, but it is a phase. Remember, it won't be forever. It is a phase. Okay, the second one, relapse is part of it. If you're in a moment, you're in the process of, yes, I see the light again, and I know that this is passing, and I am already feeling better, and all of a sudden you wake up and you think, uh-oh, did I say I was feeling better? I don't think so. And you feel sad again. Or you are walking, you're making a walk with your dog, or you're going out with friends, and all of a sudden you feel anger coming up again. And you think, no, I thought I was already over this phase. Not again. Know that relapse is part of it. And if you're overtaken by anger or sadness or any emotion, again, recognize it, and know that it will never be the same like the first time. You will notice that the second time it will be less intense and it will pass faster. And the third time it will even pass faster than the second one, and it will be less intense. And this is how it goes. Every time it comes back, it will always be less intense. It will always pass faster than the time before. Okay, the third one, give yourself time. A grieving process is part of a divorce or a breakup, and everybody is different. Getting over it quickly is 100% okay. And for some people it's possible. For some people, they just process everything quickly, and that's 100% okay. That's not a bad thing. And if it does take longer, because that's your road and that feels good, and this is just your journey, it's okay. If it is quickly or longer, there's no right or wrong in this. So know that it's your path, and know that you can give yourself time that you need. And I know there are some people who believe, and that's their own belief. I do not say that this is the truth, but this is what some people believe is their truth. They say that it takes 1 year of relationship equals 1 month of mourning. Again, I do not say that this is the truth, but some people say it's the truth for them. So if it works for them, it's fine. If it works for you, it's fine. If you do not believe in that, 100% okay. If you say it's not a month, it's 1 day, good, perfect. Know that everybody is different, and you can give yourself time that you need. And then we come to the fourth tip. Know yourself and take care of yourself. Ask yourself the question, what works for me to go through this different phase? And every phase is different. Ask yourself, what do I need? If it's going out with a friend, do that. Make sure that you go out with a friend. If you need to talk with a friend or relative or maybe professional, do it. Make sure you look after yourself and you give yourself everything you need. If you need to get out for a walk every day, for you take some time for yourself, or go for a swim, or go to a gym, or whatever you need. The answer is always inside of you. So that's why you have to ask yourself the question. Look in the mirror and ask yourself, what do I need to get through this? And give it to yourself. Look after yourself. Go through this process the way that suits you, that feels good for you. And the opinion of others, it doesn't matter at all. And if you need help, you decide. And no one is the same as you. You're you, and you know what you need. So give it to yourself. You are more than worth it. Okay, the fifth one. Respect the tempo of your ex-partner. Often you're both in a different phase of the processing process. If you are the one taking the initiative to end the relationship, it means that it most of the time has taken you a long time of doubt, a long time of changing things, and in the end accepting that it is what it is, and that you decided to end this relationship. And because you decided, you're already used to the idea of this breakup or divorce, and this means that you already started the processing process. And if you are the other person, the receiver, it is possible that the message can be a surprise and sometimes even a shock. But if it is not unexpected, if you saw it coming, then you are not as far in the mourning in the process of feeling of this processing process as the person who made the decision. So this means that the other person is dealing with angriness and depression most of the times, and you can probably imagine that if the other person is going through the phase of angriness and depression and is dealing with all those feelings, that it might not be a really good moment to make appointments and arrangements, and to handle things in a constructive way. So respect the tempo of your ex-partner. The sixth tip: can't figure it out, enlist help. I remember from my time that I had my sister who helped me when we were making the parenting plan. And my ex, he had his sister to lean on and help him through all his emotions and feelings when we were making the parenting plan. And it was really hard for both of us, but because we had our sisters who helped us with our feelings and all the emotions that were part of the process when we were making this parenting plan, it helped us. So we could sign the parenting plan together. So that was really good. Till this day, I'm really thankful that we did it together. But sometimes there is a phase that you're stuck and it's just not possible to move on. And then sometimes it's a good idea to enlist help and go to a mediator or an advocate. And then if you are in the Netherlands, I can advise you to look for an advocate or mediator with the VIVAS specialization. VIVAS, it's the V from Victor, the F from Ferdinand, sorry, the A from Anthony, and the S from scoop, a scoop of ice. So that's because this is an association of lawyers who have a specialization in law of persons, family, and inheritance. Of course, I only know it from the Netherlands. I didn't know it from other countries. But if you need one, make sure that you take one of those associations, because they know what they're talking about and they really can help you move on. So that's it for today and for the coming weeks, because now it's summer holiday in the Netherlands. So this will be the last recording. After the summer holidays, I'll come back. But for now, I hope that these tips really helped you. And if you need help, if you have a question, you can always DM me, and I will answer you back. I will come live next Tuesday, the last time, on I, Captain of My Ship, Instagram. So you can see me there, and you can ask me questions if you like, or always otherwise contact me if I can help. Let me know. My heart is with you. Know that you're strong. Know that life happens for you, not to you. And that as captain of your ship, you have everything you need inside of you to get through this. So every time it becomes really hard for you and you're overwhelmed of all kinds of emotions, know that you have everything inside of you to get through this. So ask yourself, what do I need to get through this? And look after yourself. You are more than worth it to look after yourself very carefully. Okay, that's it for today. This was the last time, and I'll talk to you in a few weeks. Enjoy your summer holiday. Bye bye.